Celebrating all things travel, Carnival Cruise Line reveals the gateway on its newest ship. I'll be back to tell you all about it right after this. Welcome back, and thanks for staying through the intro. As always, if you're new to our channel, please click the subscribe button and the little bell notification, that way YouTube will let you know every time we upload a brand new video. Before we begin, do you know we offer the best cruise-related t-shirts anywhere? Cruisegarb.com adds more and more popular cruise-related t-shirts every day. And if you're planning a group cruise, we offer totally free customization on any order, over 10 shirts. Just visit www.cruisegarb.com to get your shirts now. And for the next 7 days, you can take 10% off of your total order by using the coupon code 10OFF at checkout. There is a link to the store in the description below. Now, back to the story. Carnival Cruise Line's next ship, Carnival Celebration, will feature the Gateway, an entirely new area on 2 decks that celebrates travel and the excitement of exploring new destinations. The zone was revealed during a virtual press conference today hosted by Carnival Cruise Line President Christine Duffy. With design and decor inspired by grand terminals, transportation stations and departure points around the world, the entertainment, dining and shopping zone will feature a promenade highlighted by 12 high-definition multimedia virtual windows displaying unique scenes. The 9.5-foot by 5-foot windows and the nearly 100-foot LED ceiling will be complemented by show lighting and a state-of-the-art sound system to create a truly immersive experience throughout the zone. By day, guests will be entertained with relaxing scenes like a sunny sky, but by night, the zone will take varying nightly themes, transporting guests to far-off places throughout the world. Some of the theme nights will include abroad in Europe, Far East Voyage and Mexico Lindo.
The Gateway was created to celebrate the enriching experience we all feel when traveling, not only because of the destinations we travel to, but also the world of cultures we get to explore,
said Christine Duffy, president of Carnival Cruise Line.
We have millions of guests and team members who come from around the world to have fun together and create a welcoming and inclusive environment while sailing to new places. That is the beauty of traveling, especially on a Carnival ship, and that is what this zone will celebrate.
The zone's offerings will support the night's theme, from the music played, to the drinks and food served, and the entertainment activations offered. For example, on Mexico Lindo night, while the window displays and surrounding technology may take guests on a journey through ancient Mayan cities, beautiful beaches, lush jungles, or magical towns, guests will enjoy themed offerings like special margaritas, palomas and agave tastings, accompanied by a specialty food item tied to the evening's theme. Or for exploring South America night, as sunset views over the Amazon in Machu Picchu or a moonlit Rio de Janeiro sweep the scenes, a fun Brazilian celebration will get everyone on their feet while they sip on a caipirinha or a chilcano and indulge in a themed bite.
When designing this innovative and transformative environment, we wanted to make sure that there was something new and exciting to see and experience every time a guest walks through the zone between day and night, and from day to day,
said Ben Clement, Senior Vice President of New Builds, Refurbishment and Product Innovation.
We also wanted to ensure that the entire promenade and the gateway was connected and that the upper level was engaged with what is happening below.
The gateway's main promenade will be home to a new travel-inspired bar concept, Latitudes. Latitudes will be reminiscent of a classic airport or train station with travel-themed chairs, menus, and a mechanical split-flap display board, a modern take on the classic departures board that is being custom-built by Oat Foundry in Philadelphia. Uniquely designed to come to life periodically with motion and sounds, including the familiar clack-clack sound that sparks memories of past travels, the board will change to display the bar's daily menu offerings and will include messages to support the imagery on the surrounding virtual windows. Offerings will include cocktails, spirits and wines from destinations around the world as well as special tastings and samplers. Every evening, guests will enjoy a new celebration happy hour event at Latitudes that will be hosted by the entertainment team and serve as an opportunity to celebrate special occasions and milestones such as birthdays, anniversaries, and more. Bringing the best from Mardi Gras to Carnival Celebration, the Gateway will also include the second seagoing restaurant by world-renowned chef and restaurateur Emeril Lagasse, Emeril's Bistro 1397, but this time, with a twist, and we're not just talking about the new name of the venue to represent this ship's whole number. The menu will not only feature guest favorites from Mardi Gras but will also offer the best of international cuisines and flavors presented with a special carnival flair for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The restaurant will boast seating along the promenade's walkway as well as a dedicated and more intimate dining area with ocean views. The gateway will also feature a large digital map display showcasing the locations of Carnival's ships around the world in real time. The zone will be home to the recently revealed bar and lounge, the Golden Jubilee, as well, which ties into the zone's theme of travel, celebrating Carnival's 50 years of fun and the line's fun ships that have served as their own destinations and as a means to travel around the world for the past 5 decades. The ship's main dining rooms adjacent to the gateway will pay homage to Carnival's history, with the Forward Carnivale restaurant, named after Carnival's second ship, and the Aft Festival restaurant, named after Carnival's third ship. Adjacent are also guest favorites including the cocktail pharmacy-themed Alchemy Bar, Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse, Carnival Kitchen, and Limelight Lounge. The gateway is the final zone aboard Carnival Celebration, joining 820 Biscayne, Celebration Central, the Ultimate Playground, Summer Landing, and Lido zones. Carnival Celebration will be the second Carnival ship to be powered by a liquefied natural gas, or LNG, propulsion system, part of Carnival Corporation's green cruising platform, and will include Bolt, the award-winning roller coaster at the top of the ship. Carnival Celebration will debut in November from the redesigned state-of-the-art Terminal F at Port Miami, the line's third terminal at the port and its largest in South Florida. The terminal will be among the first to be shore power ready in 2023. Additional details on Carnival Celebration will be revealed in the coming months leading up to the ship's inaugural sailing from Miami on November 21, 2022. And that's all the details we have for you today. Make sure to stay up to date with the latest cruise news by clicking the subscribe button down below. Unless cruise news breaks out beforehand, we will see you up on the Lido.